Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Do you want to remove the background of your video in Capcut? Here's the tutorial for you guys. Okay, the first step is you have to click on your video. And then after you click on your video, you can swipe your screen to the right like this. And you have to find Cut Out button right here. Click Cut Out. And you can click remove background right here. Click remove background. And now the background has been removed. And you can click the checklist button right here. And alright. Okay guys, that's the tutorial from me. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.